10 years. 10 years ago, I made a promise to myself to choose to be with you even if it gets tough. We started out not in the most ideal way. Everything was a struggle, financially, emotionally, because we were just so young to be parents. At the time that we were just getting to know ourselves better and figuring out what we really wanted. But to me, it's clear. I choose you because behind everything bad, I always knew you were the one for me.
Ikaw yung pinaka magiging warm na comfort. Ikaw yung matutulog ako na wala. Ikaw yung pinaka best friend ko, tsaka pinaka kaaway ko. Ikaw yung pinaka magiging most comfort bed. At the end of the day, sabi ko nga, at the end of the day, makakapunta ako saan lugar. Pero at the end of the day, hahanapin ko yung ulit.
Thank you for being my one great love. You will always be the man of my dreams, sometimes nightmare. But I promise to love you for the rest of my life, with no regrets. I will always choose you. So many promises broken over the years. But this day, at this very moment, is what I'm always thankful for. Thank you for giving me the wedding of my dreams. And this is the culmination of all the promises that you gave to me. This is everything and so much more.